and welcome to Mr. Copper's Kitchen. Today we're going to demo the Copper Chef Perfect Egg Maker. I have not tried this. This is our first time. So we're going to see if it works. Now it says it will hard boil, soft boil, medium boil, poach, or do a omelet. Okay, we're going to move the box out of the way. And it comes with the cooker, a measuring cup. This is the omelet tray. This is the poaching tray. It will do 1 to 14 eggs at a time. So it has a divider. There's the top dome. And there's the divider. And your egg holders. All we gotta do is get them apart. Don't think we'll need the divider today because we're going to do seven eggs, but you'd put the bottom in, your divider, your top, and your dome. And you can do up to 14 eggs. Now, the directions tell you for hard-boiled eggs to use 4 tablespoons of water. It is on this measurer, so we need 4 tablespoons of water. I really don't know how much this would do except saving you an eye on the stove if you were doing a big dinner or something. You were doing a lot of eggs for deviled eggs, potato salad, and you had all your excuse me just a moment. Be right. Okay, we are back. We had a little problem reading the directions on the measuring cup. So it says to pour the water into the bottom of the pan. Place your egg tray in. Then it says to pierce the bottom of the eggs. Now, I've never pierced the bottom of an egg. There's a piercer on the bottom of the measuring stick, and I think, let me read the directions, it says to pierce the bottom, but let's make sure. Add the water, pierce the egg bottom, pierce the bottoms, and then you turn them upside down so they don't drip. Now, like I say, I've never pierced an egg, so we're going to see how it works. Okay, we're going to set it right side up. Now, my friend Elaine, who is a home ec major, said that if you did not pierce these eggs, they would explode. So I'm taking her at her word. There's 2. It seems to be working pretty good. Here we go. I was doing it over the sink in case I busted the egg, but There's 3. There's 4. And there's 5. 2 more. There's 6. I believe she knew what she was talking about when she said they were easy to pierce. Because I didn't break an egg. There's 7. Okay, so now we're going to put the dome on. Since we're only doing 7, we don't need to put the divider in and make it a double stack. Then it says all you do, plug it up, turn the power on, and the red light is on, so I'm assuming it's on. We will see. It says it will cut off automatically when the eggs are done. So we will let them boil and we will be back. Okay, we are back. It shut off automatically. So we're going to lift the dome. And it's hot. It is hot. None of our eggs exploded, so we're good there. And they're probably too hot to handle. Let me get a paper towel. Put them in this bowl here. And we'll peel one and see if it hard boiled it, soft boiled it, medium boiled it. It's supposed to have hard boiled it. I'm just going to slide the unit back. There's our eggs. Now, if I lift the egg tray out, the water's all gone. So the amount of water you put in there when it evaporates shuts the machine off. So the amount of water tells it how you want your eggs to be boiled. So I'm going to run some water over one, cold water. Let it cool down just a minute. Then we'll crack and peel and see how it is. All right. Here we go. It took about 10, 12, 15 minutes to boil them. About the same as it normally would take in a pot. Okay, rinse it off real good. we will dry it. And we will cut it open and see what we got. Okay. Okay, here we go. We'll just cut it in half. And there we go. Voila, hard-boiled eggs in the copper shelf. So I think it worked pretty good. Like I say, I've never used this till today. So it was easy. Hardly no cleanup. So we will see you the next time.